Hi guys, this is Richard Robinson of the Robinson Twins. This is a nature observation video. Well, on one of our visits to Yellowstone National Park, we were outside the park's boundaries in Gardner, Montana, and wanted to get aerial footage with my drone of the Roosevelt Arch that's at the north entrance. While I was flying it, I noticed that swallows were mobbing the drone, just like it was a hawk. So I was concerned about hurting them, but at one point Bob suggested, "Hey, they seem to be flying a circle around the drone. See if you can follow one of them." So that's what we tried, and you'll see that it worked. So at this point, I tried making the drone fly a 360, and I happened to catch that swallow following it all the way around. Complete circle. After examining individual frames from this video, I think we've encountered cliff swallows. Here it is again at half speed. Thanks for watching. Now be sure to like and subscribe.